DSR. Nice. Look at this. Here's me going, may not do a video. Not many cars here. Rain's kept them away. And then what we end up with? Full house. All right, Mallee Dads, guys, we are at Cafe Elle. Awesome place for a cars and coffee. And the rain has come in and really slowed down a little bit. We got quite a few cars here, so it's still going to be a great morning. A lot of chrome bumperies, which is awesome. Would have thought the chrome bumperies stay home and the plastic bumpers have come out in the rain. So anyway, awesome event. We got heaps of cars lined up. We'll go and have a look at them. Don't worry about this rain. It'll be right. All right, let's go and check them out. I'll start here in the purple section. This thing should hear it. Too bad I didn't get it pulling up. It is awesome. Beautiful car. Wayno's XFC. Very cool. We're coming in behind. We got the truck. We'll have to spin around and get that. How nice is that? F100 bagged. We'll have to check that out a bit more when we get up to it. Slammed. Very cool. This one's in beautiful condition, eh? Such a nice car. Got the Dad's Mac 1. How we going? We got the Tirana section here. This is very cool. This is in beautiful condition. We got a bit of snap, crackle and pop and rice bubbles in the background. We got a little V8er in this one, which is awesome. She's running a 327, I think. That one. Don't film the plates. Oh, right, okay. Oh, beautiful. Little Porsche. Not sure. Oh, a little Lotus. There we go. How cool is that? Very cool. We got the snap, crackle and pop coming in. Good timing. Got it on hitting the bags. How cool is that? Very, very nice. That was good timing. Yeah, got this one pulling up just before that. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. You've got the 310 Motorsports. Bit of snap, crackle and pop. Gotta love that. Oh, I can't believe he did it. Hey? Yeah, I know. You did it, not me. All right, another good timing is just popping the bonnet over here. Beautiful. Gotta love that. Very, very cool. All right. This is awesome. Have a look at this. That is well done. Love it. Just got back from the States for the truck show over there, the Nationals. There's a video out on that. The rain did get that day, but this is what you'll get in that sort of video, this sort of vehicle. Very, very cool. Alright, we got some fantastic trucks here. We got the Supras pulling up, we got some Brockies pulling up. This is actually going to be quite good. We got a few in the background, some bikes. The old RX-7, gotta love that. Oh, Supra. Yes, please. R32. Oh, another 32. Gotta love the 32s. Very, very cool. And another fantastic Supra here. You gotta love that. Now, one of my favourite here. This thing's beautiful. Look at the colour. Absolutely stunning. And so is that interior. Beautiful. Oh, we got more snap, crackle and pop in the background. We got the old Mercedes just crackling away. Awesome. The old Lexus, very cool. Ooh, roust. There we go, a little bit of wheel spin. That was an accident. Just in the background. Very, very cool. Love these little Golf Rs. Oh, Stinger. Very underrated car, these things. They go so well. RTR 307. Nice. Oh, Brocky. Oh, she's a real one. Looks good. What we got coming in? Oh, very nice. Very cool. Turbo Bellina. Yes, please. Stato. Bit of snap, crackle and pop coming in. I love that. Quite a few pulling up now. I thought it was going to be a quiet morning, but everyone's just sleeping in. So, wishing good, Nick. Very nice. Got a bit going on. You've got a lot going on. Proton, isn't it? There's a show. No, it's a formal car show. One of my favourites. This is a weapon. What a beast. Gotta love that. Have a look at that interior. All right, very, very cool. Stunning vehicle. I mean, hey, you look like a valiant driver. Actually, you look like a truck driver to me, actually. You got that bag truck look. That's awesome. What a beautiful car. We got the Sunny. I don't see many of these. How cool is that? Beautiful. How are we going?
You've taken photos of that before.
Yeah.
But little orange Stanza.
That's what it is. Yeah, that's what it is.
That's the one.
Every time I see it, I go, ooh, nice.
There.
We've got the latest model Mustang. I think this is a Dark Horse, is it? Or is, I don't know. Hard to tell. Sounds good anyway. All right. Oh, we got the little four-wheel drive little truck. I love these things. That is so cool. Yeah, very nice. Nice. Oh, and that might be George's car. Nice. Oh, beautiful old Porsche. And another one. Yeah, the old Stinger. This thing goes like a cut snake. Seen it out on the track. Absolute beast. Goes well. Wouldn't mind one of these little Lexuses. So I think this is a cop car, ex-cop car, pretty sure. Nice. Nice. Oh, little Lotus. Oh, sorry. Coffee, is it? Hey? You gotta love a Gemini owner. They're the best. Oh, we got some more Merc business going on. A bit more snap, crackle and pop. Merc days, all Merc days. We got the coffee Uber delivered from the good mate over there. And such a nice guy. Always make sure I'm looked after, eh? The Gemini driver. There we go. We'll go back to the future here. That's pretty cool. Squeeze in here. Panteras, gotta love that. Very, very cool. What do we got coming in here? No, not tame. GT40. Yeah, awesome vehicle. Have a listen to that. You can just tell she's got a lot going on. A lot going on. So, and then we got this 1UZ Turbo. If the police ask, it's just a stock four-cylinder, but 1UZ Turbo Gemini slant front. Yes, please, for sale. And I think very well priced for what you get. So, like a drag and drive car would be awesome. So, yeah, we've got 310 Motorsports here. These guys got a YouTube channel, I think, as well. All the socials. They are car detailing, sports. Fucking, I don't know, track cars. Bit of fun. They're a laugh. these guys. So get on and check out 310 Motorsports. Awesome. All right, we've got a few stalls here as well. Got the Hot Wheels, Oz Wheels, all that sort of stuff. The gym. I love this front end like this and the VLs. Very, very cool. Very nice. How we going?
Man, how are you?
Good. So obviously the weather's kept the numbers down a little bit. This place normally is a chocker blocker, but still good numbers. Still good numbers.
Sweating like Woodstock.
Oh, what have we got here? A bit sneaky. Barra. Nice. And this one, this one pulling up. Too clean. Beautiful colour. GDSR. She was a bit slow earlier, now she's picked right up. Have a look at this. Here's me going, may not do a video. Not many cars here, rain's kept them away. And then what we end up with, full house. I've got to get back to this truck, check it out a bit more. A lot of work happening here. Look how well that sits, eh? Look at that. Perfect stance. Awesome. Coolest kid in the car park, and this guy turns up. That's awesome. So, as I said, we got heaps of people here. What started as a slow day is now turning into a busy day. So, awesome event here. Cafe Elle. Good numbers every month. Just check out their Facebook page. So, oh, I'm getting run over here. Getting run over. So, thanks, mate. Saved my life. So that's it for Dad's Garage. So that's the Cafe Elle. Make sure you like, subscribe, all the usual sort of things, and we'll get